To access important details about your Google Meet meeting, like meeting details and participant information, you can use the information icon and people icon located in the right corner of your meeting window. Let's start with meeting details. Click the information icon. This will open the meeting details panel, where you'll find key information like the meeting name and scheduled time, the link to join the meeting, dial-in information, and any shared documents. To share the meeting link, click Copy Joining Info. To close the panel, click Close. Next, we'll walk through participant information. Click the People icon in the bottom right corner. This will open the People panel, which lists all contributors and viewers in the meeting, and identifies meeting hosts, muted participants, people joining from outside your organization, and who has joined by phone. To invite people to your meeting, click Add People in the top right. Start typing the name of the person. Then select their name from your contacts. You can also type an email address to invite people who aren't in your contacts list. Click Send Email to send the invitation. To pin a participant's video, click the three dots next to their name. Select Pin to the screen. Choose whether to pin for yourself or for everyone. If you choose to pin for everyone, you will be asked to confirm your choice. To unpin a participant, select Unpin. To make someone a co-host, select Add as co-host. They will now appear as a meeting host. To remove someone as a co-host, select Remove as co-host. To change a participant from a contributor to a viewer, select Make a viewer. Viewers can't share audio or video. To change a participant from a viewer to a contributor, select Make a contributor. A request will be sent to the participant. Once they accept, they will become a contributor. Their camera will be off, and their microphone will be muted until they turn them on. To mute a contributor, click the audio icon next to their name. To confirm you want to mute the contributor for everyone, click Mute. To remove a participant from the meeting, select Remove from the call. You can also choose to fill out an abuse report or block the participant from the call. Click Remove. For more help, visit the Google Meet Help Center.